Hello guys, my name is Tim Segewitz and I'm the founder of Crypto Education Germany, and in this video we will dive into the content of my first Web3 beginner course, which is called Copper. Let's get started. So right here, you are actually on my Crypto Education Germany campus website after you enrolled the course. So this is basically what you see right after you enrolled the Copper Web3 beginner course. The first part is where I actually show you the course objectives, a little bit of a structure for the course, and obviously the disclaimer. I will also make the disclaimer right now at the beginning. So I'm not a financial advisor, nor I'm a financial assistant. All the topics in the whole course were gathered from myself for the past 6 years. Do your own due diligence, which is called do your own research in the space, and please don't make decisions on my preferred suggestions. Let's dive right into the modules. The first module is actually a super important one because the Twitter module keeps you up to date for all the trends and all the stuff which is happening right now. Like right now in the Web3 and crypto space, we will create for you a Twitter feed that will keep you up to date with the latest news and trends in the Web3 world. We will also be discussing who you should follow, which influencers you should follow, news sites, cryptocurrency prices to fetch the best prices from them, and also make in the future some technical analysis and decisions about your different trades. Then we will follow some professional day traders who are actually doing this for more than a decade and more than 15 years. And in the last place, you will also follow some Web3 companies which bring out really great information about the space and to keep you up to date. The next module is blog articles. I only promote there 2 blog articles, which is my own one from Crypto Education Germany, where we go over topics like what is the possibility for NFTs in the future, looking into some layer 1 blockchains. And the second one is BTC Echo, which is a German blog website where you can actually also get really eligible information about the Web3 space. The next one is a really important tool for you for the Web3 space, which is Discord. And in this module, I will explain to you how you actually use Discord in general and how you really properly use it in Web3, because there are some traps from people. We really want to avoid scams. The word scam is meaning they will just steal all your money, which can happen when you click on the wrong link. I will actually show you how you will securely using Discord to not get scammed. The first really exciting topic, I'd say, is the cryptocurrency topic, because in this module we will be diving into the world of cryptocurrencies. We'll start by providing an introduction, what actually crypto is and how it works. We'll then move on to discussing the different types of cryptocurrencies, how you use it, what blockchain itself is, and what are cryptocurrencies used for or can be used for in the future. Module 5 is then about where you actually store your cryptocurrencies on, which is called a wallet. Crypto wallets in general. Then I also listed 3 different wallet types, which is one from MetaMask, one from Trust Wallet, and the Phantom Wallet. This last wallet is a bit more of an advanced wallet because you need that when you want to interact with the Solana blockchain. So right now in the world, you actually can have one wallet where you have your euros or your dollars or whatever other currencies in it. Actually, in the digital world, to interact with different blockchains and also different tokens, you need different wallets right now. This is just the stage how it is right now. Hopefully that will change in the future and we can use like one wallet for all the different blockchains and all the different tokens in the future. Module 6 is then what is actually fiat and how you can change it into crypto. Fiat is a currency which is based on a governance like the dollar or the euro. And in this chapter, I will really quick show you what the relationship between fiat and cryptocurrency is and what are topics to look out which can happen in the near term, midterm, or long-term future. Number 7 is a module about 2 different websites where you can actually check cryptocurrency prices. So the one is coinmarketcap.com and the next one is coingecko.com. Really quick diving into module 8, which is really cool because both of these sites offer portfolio trackers. So you can actually see the worth of your whole portfolio in real time on this website. I will show you in this module 8 how you can actually set this up with a screen recording and also properly set this up and don't make any mistake to type in wrong numbers and stuff like that. Module 9 is a really cool platform which actually helped me a lot in the past because it's an event calendar for Web3. The website behind it is called coinmarketcal.com, and I will explain to you why this website is so valuable, what are advantages and disadvantages of this website. And what you can actually do with the website is you can be a bit ahead of the herd because you can anticipate some new updates for different platforms and different crypto companies, and then you can put some trades based off of this event calendar into your portfolio, which is really cool. It helped me a lot, and I also have to be honest, I made really good money off of this event calendar. That's why I put it into the 9th module. Module 10 then is, I guess, one of the biggest topics which most of you guys which are interested into blockchain are heard about the past few years, which are NFTs. In this module, we will then discussing what really NFTs are. I will explain it to you, from which platforms you can buy them, where you can sell them, how an actual NFT work, which is really cool, what you can do with them right now in 2023, and what is the difference between NFTs and cryptocurrencies. So this is a really cool module. Next one is also a really important one because this buzzword will definitely be around the next 5 to 10 years in our daily life and also in our daily present, which is the metaverse. I will explain to you the understanding of Web3 and the metaverse, like the correlation between these two technologies, what the benefits of the metaverse are. We will also going to explore some metaverses, so I will record some videos in the course where I actually dive into a metaverse and show you guys what you can actually do in there. We will also talk about the future of the metaverse. And also, when we mostly talk about pros of the metaverse, afterwards we also need to talk about cons of the metaverse, like technology and where the metaverse actually runs on. Module 12 is a bit something about investing. Once again, like I said before, real quick disclaimer again, I'm not a financial advisor, nor I'm a financial assistant. Please do your own research and make all the decisions with trading based on your own research and not from my perspective what I'm going to say. All the information I gathered from the whole course is based on my experience from the last 6 years. I'm not a financial advisor, and you really need to rely on your own decisions and on your own research about different projects and cryptocurrencies and tokens and NFTs. Then the last module of the course is a bit more straightforward for the guys in Germany because I'm by myself from Germany. And in this module, we'll be discussing the taxation of actual cryptocurrencies in Germany for the year 2022. We will be introducing the concept of the capital gains tax versus the income tax, how you need to tax actual NFTs, what the taxation of staking and yield farming is, how does that look like, and if nothing from all of these terms say something to you, this is the right chapter to look out, because obviously when we are living in Germany, some of the people in the Web3 space see Germany as a really crypto-friendly country because after 1 year, your crypto is basically tax-free. It is in the laws like that, but before you sell it, it's actually binded to your income tax, which is definitely in Germany really high. It's sometimes above 40%. But basically all the numbers and all the topics we will discuss then in this chapter. So that was actually the content of my first Web3 beginner course, which is called Copper. And I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions or suggestions from myself to enhance the course, to enhance all the topics, to enhance maybe different sections, to maybe even restructure the course, I'm really open at this beginning stage of the course to make better decisions for you guys to get you really rocket start into the Web3 journey. Lastly, what I also wanted to say is when you go to my actual crypto education Germany website, which is just crypto-edu.de. There you can also find the products to actually enroll in the course itself. So we have the beginner course, which is called Copper, differentiated in a monthly subscription and a one-time purchase. It's for the monthly subscription $49, and for the one-time purchase it's $199. What is really, really important, and I want to really clarify, is I will update the course on a monthly basis with all the new topics which are happening in the Web3 space, and I will make then a post in our Discord server about that, which I actually added the past month. Then you can really dive into the new topics, which I tell you guys, and you will also get Telegram support, where we actually make a cool Telegram group. So yeah, that was actually the video of the content from the Web3 beginner course called Copper. My name is Tim Segewitz. I'm the founder of Crypto Education Germany, and hopefully we will see us inside of the Crypto Education Germany campus in the near future. Have a great one, and we see us in the next videos. Cheers. Bye bye.